Hi everybody, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for joining me. Today I have a friend of mine that I have known for years. We've lost contact, but I'll never forget you.
And I had hair loss from medications that I have been actually over medicated for an issue that doctors thought I had, but found out that isn't what I really was dealing with. Now I'm approaching a surgery and I needed something that I could have that I can maintain because I won't be able to do a lot of going in and out. So I called Lola and she said, I think I can help you. And so here I am, and I'm about to see what the magic wig maker can do for me.
Peaches' hair loss. It's rather a large area. We're going to give her a hair unit that she can feel comfortable wearing. This is the hair unit. See how closely it matches her color? That is just perfect. Almost completed with her hair unit. I went in and I put the clips on and it just happens to fit perfectly for her head, and you never just want to pull or tug. They just fit gently by scooping the hair underneath and then locking them shut.
And what was that?
Oh, this is just a styling foam. It is. It's Iso Plus styling treat for styling foam. Just little things you get in your little kit for maintaining your little do.
Yeah, that's why I asked.
Yeah, and if you have questions, what I normally do is I take pictures of new products with my camera. So, because I know sometimes
I go to the hair store,
yes,
I can just show them.
Yes,
okay.
and you don't have to worry about trying to remember what it is. That's what most of the clients who come to me, they say, well, let me take a picture. Yes.
See, I wouldn't have thought of that.
Uh-huh.
I'm still not savvy like I need.
Oh, you'll get there. Necessity breeds.
I'm going to have to get there or be left behind, because everything is now, like that.
Everything is, yeah.
I love my new look. It is beautiful.
You look gorgeous.
I'm just hoping I got enough money in my pocketbook to pay for it.
Uh-oh. Well, listen, them Peaches, I'm not going to hurt you too bad. I tell you what.
That's my biggest concern.
I know that you're going through some medical things right now and expenses, and then you're taking care of your grandchildren. You're doing so many things. This unit happens to be a unit that I wore in one of my demonstration makeovers, so it did not cost me one dime other than for me to style it and to do your makeup, and there's no charge for that. So your total bill is no charge.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. As long as you are happy with your look.
You caught me off guard. That's for sure.
Well, I am just so glad that I'm able to do this for you.
Well, I hope God just give you back 100-fold.
He already has, with friends like you. I'm just so glad to be able to help her. I want to be a blessing to others as God has blessed me. I can't do it for everybody, but whenever I can, I'm happy to help someone's wishes come true with a hair unit that makes them feel better about themselves.
Yes.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Peaches.
you.
You are so very welcome. And thank you all for tuning in to my channel. I really appreciate it. And before you leave, please subscribe, like, tell others, and most of all, hit that notification bell so you'll always know when I'm working my magic. You gonna say bye to them, Peaches?
Bye, everyone, and be blessed by the